Hi, this is Mrs. Runyon. For the readings we're going to do for the month of April, we've chosen one per week, and we're using a website called CommonLit. You'll access CommonLit through your Google Classroom for your class. If you are not in your class's Google Classroom, you'll need to contact your teacher to get the login code. The first article for the first week in April is called Self-Care, and if you click on the assignment in Google Classroom, it'll bring up this link to CommonLit. Once you get into CommonLit, it should have your assignment for the week listed there. This one's Self-Care. And when you get into the article, you can see you can adjust the font size if you'd like. You can have it read aloud to you and follow along. If you would benefit from having it translated to another language, you could do that. A lot of features as you read. It will only show you part of the article at a time. You have to answer questions to make sure you're understanding it as you go before the rest shows up for you. After you're finished reading, we'd like you to answer the assessment questions and then look through the discussion questions. You'll actually answer 2 of these in a Canvas discussion board which is scheduled for Thursday. You're welcome to start on that early if you'd like. Have fun. Hope you enjoy it.